and welcome to the Codersart. Today we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, but with a twist. We will crack the code on two in-demand careers, data scientists and AI engineers. So imagine a mountain of data or a treasure troves of information just waiting to be unlocked. That is where data scientist comes in. So whether you are considering a career in tech or just curious about these two roles, you will get the more clear understanding from this video. So think of them as a detectives sifting through the data oceans with advanced tools and techniques. In diagram, you can see as data scientists, you can go through these actions on data oceans with advanced tools and techniques. They clean, analyze and uncover hidden patterns and moreover trends and a story within the data. And end result is insight from the data as you can see on the diagram. These insights are gold. They help business make better decisions, predict future trends and even personalize user experience. So did you know that global data sphere is expected to reach 175 zettabytes by 2025. So that is 175 followed by 21 zeros. So as according to McKinsey report, data-driven companies are 23 times more likely to be outperformed with their competitors. But we can do more with data. So this extracted knowledge from the data, we need a builder. And that is where the AI engineers steps in. So as you can see on this screen, as a data scientist, analyze data, build machine learning models and generate insight from the data. And after getting this insight as extracted knowledge and this information from the data scientists, AI engineers can use this insight to build the translate insight into system and develop AI applications and also ensure that system is scalable and performance. So as you can see, based on the given insight from the data, AI engineers can build robots and others intelligent system. These engineers are the architect of AI world. So they translate the data scientist insight into intelligent system. Imagine robot, chatbot or even self-driving cars. So let's see some more illustration on this topic to get more understanding, just like a flowchart. So as you can see on the screen, I have created some diagram. So the first one is you can see a data scientist. So as a data scientist, your role is data analysis, machine learning algorithm, statistics modeling, data visualization as a primary role. AI engineers as a top level primary roles. Software development, you need to know how the software is developed. System integrations, like there is lots of API integration offered by many of the company, or maybe if you are building your own AI models. Deployment and scaling and AI model optimization. This is very crucial part of the AI engineers. And there is one common roles that is called data processing. In both the case, either you are data scientists or AI engineers, data processing is the common task you have to do. Okay. Similarly, if you want to see as a diagram, let me show you. So this as a flow chart. So what will happen? So suppose you get the raw data, and if you are data scientist, what you have to do? Data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, model development, insight extraction. Okay. And as a AI engineers, they build a system or develop system, model integrations or maintenance and scalability. Okay. So, or we can see some of the role is common in both of them, but not all. Okay. So you can see as a final result, intelligent system, chatbot, self-driving cars, these are things. Okay. So the AI global market is projected to reach at the 5.2 trillion by 2027. So AI engineers use their programming superpower to build and train the complex AI models. They ensure these models are accurate, efficient, and can run smoothly within the real world applications. Also, you can see these two roles like Batman and Robbins. The data scientists provide the brains and the AI engineers build the bronze. So, or you can see some as a diagram, like data scientists, they are providing the insight from the data. AI engineers build the system from the given data, and finally the processing optimization and also the code level optimization, and just like they are building complete system. So till now we have understood who are the data scientists versus the AI engineers with diagram and illustrations. Let's talk more about the data scientist job roles, responsibilities, paycheck and skills. So first let's talk about the data scientist, job roles, responsibility, paycheck and skills. So as a data scientist, they are involved in data analysis, statistical modeling, data visualizations, machine learning, and importantly, communicating their insight to non-technical stakeholders. If we talk about the average salary of data scientist, it is so as a data scientist with an average salary of 120K per year in US. Now let's meet the AI engineers. AI engineers are the builder of the AI world. They create intelligent systems and algorithms that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. They focus on developing algorithms, training models, deploying them in real world applications and also integrating AI system with existing technologies. The AI market is projected to be worth 190 billions by 2025 with AI engineers playing a crucial role in this booming industry. And with on average salary of AI engineers is 130K per year in US dollar. So what is the difference? While both roles involve working with data and advanced technology, their focus is different. Data scientists are all about uncovering insight and helping with decisions making, while AI engineers are all about creating a smart system and automating tasks. Both careers require a strong programming skill, but data scientists often use tools like Python, R, SQL, while AI engineers deep dive into the framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more. So let's talk about the technical skills. Here is the comprehensive breakdown of the technical skills typically required with each of the skills. So as a data scientist, the primary programming language is Python, R, SQL, and MATLAB. These are also data manipulations. As you can see, as AI engineers, data software development is required. Third role is a statistical analysis like hypothesis testing, regressions, Bayesians, and like that. For AI engineers, more focus on AI and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Scikit-learn, and also as a data scientist, machine learning skills like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, so basics, and also you have to know how the algorithm work and how to optimize and get the better result from the data over the using machine learning techniques or algorithms. As a AI engineer, system designs are also must know part. Data visualization, the primary skills as a data scientist as well, but for a but AI engineers, model deployment is more crucial part. Big data, that is also part of data scientists like Hadoop, Spark, and Hive. Data cleaning, NLP, natural language processing, deep learning, version controls, robotics, version control. I don't think version control, we have to more focus about data scientists, but I think I just for listed down for, everything should be there. There is more skills, but just these are some primary or core skills. There might be some, or I haven't listed down, but just I'm giving that on the top of the some skills needed. The very crucial part for as a AI engineers, I can say the cloud optimizations like working on the cloud or DevOps are not in depth of DevOps required. Obviously, some other team will be there, but as a how well AI models framework okay, how to develop the system in cloud, how better you optimize and how to get AI models, how to get better result because as a training AI models as a configurations architecture is also more important. How well cloud platform is offering some speed. Computational is very crucial part of the AI engineers because there is lots of large language models in coming into the market, and that is more CPU intensive or hardware intensive, so you have to know more about this thing and how accurately how effectively you can train like large language model data. Okay, so these are some things I needed. So if talk about the education wise both roles typically required computer science degree and a statistic or engineering degree. Advanced degree is also are common if you are a PhD. Some of the roles like AI researcher as now is common in AI field because lots of core tech company or core AI company they are focusing on creating their own models. So sometimes the AI researchers they are also looking for. So for AI researchers PhD I think this is a common degree that is most of the people are hold or companies are looking for. So now the question is which role is right for you? Do you crave the thrill of uncovering hidden knowledge, or are you passionate about building intelligence machine? So now let's conclude this video with some quotes like data scientists analyze past data and AI engineers design system to predict the future. The second quote is data scientists unveiling the patterns, AI engineers building intelligent system, both shaping the future. So you can explore more about these two paths based on your interest. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for the more exciting tech adventures.